Hi everyone, this video is an introduction to Module 3. Module 3 is the start of our second paragraph assignment. By now you should start looking at these assignments. It's very similar to the previous modules we've done, and so you'll be doing some similar type of assignments here. Let me show you what's going on in this module. Your readings here, some of these are a little bit of review from the previous module since we are working on our second paragraph assignment. This is the paragraph assignment for cause and effect. You can see that your task is to choose a lifestyle choice and discuss the causes and effects on your life. You won't actually start writing this paragraph until the next module, but it's in here so that you can start pre-writing. So we're actually spending 2 modules on this one. The pre-writing journal here is what will help us to plan our cause and effect paragraph. You can see there are 4 entries. Now the journal assignments in Blackboard, those are ones that are set up like a journal you might handwrite. So you create an individual entry for each one of these 4 things here. So there'll be a little red tab that says create entry, and you'll hit that button and do your free write, and then you'll save it, and then you'll do it again for the brainstorm or cluster map, and so on and so forth. So you'll have 4 entries total when you're done. If you need additional help with doing a journal, if you've never done one in Blackboard before, please make sure that you contact me. You're doing another reading and response type of assignment rather than do questions like you have for the past 2 modules, though this one is actually a discussion board. The first 5 modules you will do a reading and response type assignment. This one is just a little bit different so that you get more interaction, so we created a discussion board for it to have you do an original post and response post too. Then of course you have your grammar here at the bottom. For this module the topic is run-ons, and so this is a really good subject to get into right now since we've got the basics of the sentence down. Run-ons are a very common problem in student writing. So that's kind of an overview of the module. Like I said, the paragraph itself we won't start writing until the next module. So if you're a little confused by that, it is going to take us 2 modules to write that one. And then the next writing assignment is your essay, and that we're actually going to take 3 modules to write. So we're trying to expand a little bit the amount of time that you need to spend on these longer writing assignments and get you better prepared for planning so that you feel more confident with the final product. Now the second module, Module 2, you guys turn in your illustration paragraph. I obviously haven't graded those yet. Those will be graded before you turn in your cause and effect paragraph, but it does take me a little bit longer to grade those assignments. I actually provide you with inline comments as well as a rubric so that you can see specific problems that you're having in your writing and then of course improve on those for the next writing assignment. So that's just an introduction to this module. I hope everyone is doing well. If you have any questions at all, make sure that you email me.